Hello, welcome to week 6 of Geography 4185 and 5185. This week our discussion marks a real transition in our class. Part 1 of our discussion this week really deals with wrapping up some themes that we've been discussing so far, and Part 2 gets at some themes that we are just beginning and we'll start to cover for the next few weeks. So let's take a quick look at what we're talking about here. In terms of Part 1, wrapping up discussion, we're going to be dealing with samples. We've already dealt with samples actually in terms of sample design and the various alternatives available. So the key thing that we'll be doing now is thinking a little bit about what we do with samples, the results that we gain from samples and sampling. So that's really the discussion, estimates that we can obtain from samples. So that's part 1 of our discussion. Part 2 is dealing with the whole area of comparative testing. And I think the important thing just to note is there are so many comparative tests available to us in statistics. And so we'll be looking at really the menu of comparative tests that are available. And we'll just talk about the variety that exists in this area of testing. And then we'll go on from there and actually cover just one of the many alternatives. The KS test of goodness of fit is something that we'll cover completely in class this week. So again, we're wrapping things up, a little bit of where we've been, and we are setting ourselves up for the next few weeks of discussion. And so this is a pretty important week in terms of the progress that we're making in class. So thanks for being here and being part of the class. Feel free to talk with me if you have any questions about what we've done or where we're going, and I'll see you in class. Take care.